Hello, this is Bobby and Crystal. Back at you again with another adventure. We have the Grand Brats with us today. We got Harley. Ariel, say hey Ariel.
Hi.
We got Jesse. And of course Jazz, the Rottweiler back there somewhere. But anyhow, we're gonna do a video here. Yeah, okay, it's still working. Thanks for tuning in. We seen The Exorcist last night. That was pretty good, very scary. We're heading over here to try Hardees Nashville hot chicken tenders to see if they're any good. And then Ariel and Harley is getting their hair cut today. Crystal's doctoring her stone disease. Stone disease. She's got cirrhosis.
Psoriasis.
Oh, psoriasis. Excuse me, I ain't a doctor. So, hope y'all are having a good day today.
Can you also get a drink? I'm over here. I will try it.
She want to know, can we get a drink? Yeah, we're going to get a drink because Harley's going to share in this video. Show your face over here, Harley, so we see who you are. Harley, she's going to try the video with us.
Am I even 6?
She's 6 years old,
And my
ladies and
cousin
gentlemen.
is 7.
Her cousin is 7. Who's your cousin? Shelby Louise.
Welcome on our.
How old are you?
Hey, how are you today?
I'm fine.
I have a mobile order, Bobby.
That's the boy.
Bramlett.
Drive around.
All right.
Here's the jazz button.
She seems so
Here's the
enthused.
button.
Who?
That girl.
I don't know if it's a girl or a
It's
guy.
that girl, the same one.
That is not her.
It is. I'm telling you, that's
If that's her, she's on Xanax.
I'm telling you, that's her.
Got a couple people working at Hardee's here. It's kind of rude.
Papa, look at that stuff on the window.
What? Oh yeah, they got it up there, don't they?
Yes.
Halloween stuff.
Spooky Halloween. Spooky Halloween. Spooky Halloween. Spooky Halloween.
Jesse, turn around and quit now. Sit, Jazz. Sit. Oh no, sit back. I said quit petting him. They don't listen. They won't leave the dog alone,
We're
bro.
trying to get him trained and stuff, y'all. Do right. Bubba, why's your seat like that?
Can anybody give me, if somebody will like, share, and subscribe this video and give me how many comments?
As many as we need.
Someone is
If we can
on
get,
the
if we could get 1,000 likes, I'll put this shock collar on Jesse and try it out on him. Hey, can I have some ranch?
JK. Sit back, Bubba.
Thanks, Aaron. Have a good day. That was Aaron, I told you.
No.
My friend, yes it is. She's sitting there saying no, and I just said, thanks, Aaron.
But that wasn't the same one that took
That was the same
order.
one that took the order, fruitcake. Man, my wife is the most confrontational woman you've ever seen. Or I don't know if it's confrontational or disputing. Whatever it is, she likes to argue. So, alright, there's a dog in the back. Be careful, go get a drink and quit giving me rabbit ears.
I know ice and they're hot.
They ain't gonna be hot.
Guys.
Alright, these don't look bad. Are you gonna dip it in the ranch? Harley's gonna go first. Ooh, the ranch is cold.
Anyway, stop like the stop it like and I get this put a cheetah outfit on.
Very beautiful cheetah outfit on. Puerto Rican. See if we can get this cleared up a little bit up here at the top. Is that better? Yeah, there we go.
Oh, I'm getting to go up on my little sister right here.
Well, here you go. You got 5 for $8. That's what you get for $8. And some change. So, it could be saucier, but it's like chicken tenders and some little powder. I don't think it's going to bother anybody. It don't look bad.
Just sit down.
Alright, where you at, Harley?
I'm right here.
Alright, come here.
That's where he's fixing to jump up here.
Why?
Ow.
Turn around, Jesse, and hush. Sit, Jazz.
Ew.
Hi. I'm going to try the very hot wings.
Okay, she's going to try one. Harley's going first.
Your arms, Charles.
Will you, what? Can we get this
Hold
on?
on, she's dirty. She's gonna be eating dirt.
Don't get my
There you
tattoos
go.
off.
Click. Take 2. Okay, Harley is going to try one first. Wait here, dip it in the ranch. And then we're going to see her reaction. Now chew it and put it in your mouth, all of it. Chew it up, look at the camera. Whoa, yeah, okay. Put it in there and eat it. Hold on, she's chewing it, swallowing it. Well, is it hot? Man, can you believe this?
Maybe let me get the
She's giving it a thumbs down. Why?
Thumbs up, thumb up and then down.
Well, which one is it? Is it good or no?
It's both.
Well, tell us. You can't have thumbs up and down. You got one or the other.
Very good.
Hands off the ceiling. Alright, so she likes it. She's not even asked for nothing to drink, so it shouldn't be bad. Alright, here we go. Who else is next?
Ariel.
Ariel, you going?
Are you going to bit and wait?
Alright. Got Ariel. I'm giving them a little good bite here. Here you go. What's it, Crystal?
Wait for her.
Alright, Ariel's going next. Have it open so they can have a
Put
drink.
in your mouth.
Put it in your mouth, chew it.
with the Mountain Dew though.
I don't know. Any good? Who's her? Ariel's got it. There's Jazz, the Rottweiler. Yay, nay. Good or no? Is it hot? Oh, it is hot, she says. Alright.
I need Bubba next.
Alright, Bubba's next. Here we go with Bubba. Crystal, you want to help Bubba out there with this little bite?
I took it all by myself. I need a drink.
Stick it in your mouth and chew it.
Is it hot? Well, thumbs up from all
Harley,
3
you want
kids. Everybody's drinking, so it can't be too bad. I got some from KFC that was out of this world, hot and good.
Hi.
Crystal? Alright, it's time for Mama to try 'em.
Mama. Then it's time to try a hot wing. Are you ready to try a hot wing? Have a no reaction. Do it. Hot cheese. That's your big
Well,
dog.
hot, spicy, good, bad.
No, the action is.
The burn comes later.
I guess
They're very, and I got a little bit of heat, but they're doable.
Bobby's turn. Bobby's turn.
I can't believe this is all you get. It's 5 of these for $8. That's ridiculous.
I agree.
Try a little bit.
Alright, here I go.
Go, Bobo.
Sissy, don't down that tea, honey. We're all drinking some.
No, yes. Take it off now. Can I hold the phone?
Powdery.
That's a big one. That's a big one.
I want to try another one.
Spicy. Not bad, but it's just a powder.
Which we have this powder at home.
Is it good or bad powder?
It's good, but it ain't worth the money.
Can I have a whole one?
Yeah.
I need some away.
Well, hot. It watered me up, but it went down the wrong pipe. So I don't know what to say.
The burn's kind of lingering on the lips.
I need some lips.
Ariel, you want any more?
I want some more. It's a little bit hard. It's a little bit hard from the powder. The lip.
A little bit hot from the powder.
Lingers on the lips.
Ariel, you want nothing?
I need a drink. I want another one. Very hot.
Hand that to Bubba. Oh no. Okay, eat it. Larry, I got nothing.
Let me eat it.
There's just not enough of them.
No. And that was $8. They're not worth that.
I need a drink.
Ariel, dip that and give it to Ariel.
Can I have a little bite?
No, you've had enough. I mean, you've had enough of them.
Here, Ariel.
No, yes.
Move her.
Ariel.
Let's see Ariel do it.
Have a drink. Daddy.
Put it in your mouth and eat it.
The whole side.
Sit back, Bubba.
No action.
Here, Harley.
Harley says no reaction.
No reaction.
Ariel
My lips
Marie
are
just
burning
flipped a
from the
bird.
powder. Ariel Marie, we don't do that.
Apparently we do.
If you don't like it. No
Well,
reaction.
Alright, this is Bobby and Crystal, Harley, Ariel, and Jesse.
And the
Everybody
button,
say like,
like,
share, and subscribe.
Give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up, everybody.
Thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thumbs up or a thumbs down.
These tenders are worth trying, but that ain't worth the money. Alright, thank you, and bless you and your family, and we love y'all. God bless.